In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a PayPal account that's been permanently limited, and we'll try to do it in just 5 minutes. It's a situation none of us wants to encounter, but understanding the steps you need to take can significantly ease your stress. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to go to the PayPal website. You can do this by opening your internet browser and typing in paypal.com. Once you're there, look for the Login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and you'll be transported to a new page where you can enter your login credentials. Make sure you type in your correct email address and password that you used when creating your PayPal account. After that, hit the Login button to access your account. Once signed in, scroll down until you see the Contact link. Click on it, which will direct you to PayPal's customer service resources. Here, you will find the Resolution Center. This is a crucial tool provided by PayPal to address account issues. Clicking on the Resolution Center will lead you to a section where you can provide necessary information and documentation. Be prepared to offer accurate and detailed information about your account and any transactions under scrutiny. Documentation might include identification forms or receipts, and the more thorough you are, the quicker the resolution process will be. Next, review the reason for your account's limitation. PayPal will provide an explanation, and it's crucial to understand the root cause. Once you've reviewed this information, PayPal will guide you on removing the limitation. This may involve specific tasks such as uploading missing documents, verifying your account information, or addressing specific transactions. If you believe the limitation placed on your account is incorrect or unjust, PayPal does offer an option to appeal. This means you can provide additional information or context to make your case. It's essential to communicate clearly and provide any evidence that supports your claim that the limitation was a mistake. It's important to note that PayPal may hold your funds for a period, usually about 180 days, if your account is permanently limited. This precaution is taken to resolve any disputes that may arise from your past transactions. During this time, it's crucial to remain patient and cooperative with PayPal's process. By following these steps and understanding the reasoning behind them, you can navigate the complexities of a permanently limited PayPal account. Being informed and proactive is the key to resolving this quickly and restoring normal function to your account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you solve any issues you encounter with PayPal.